To assemble the hydration system on your VPR, take a 3mm Allen wrench and remove the 2 screws. Take the adapter and place it with the slider oriented towards the bicycle. The adapter comes with 2 screws. Use these screws to attach the slider to the underside of the stem. Make sure they are tightened firmly to 2 to 3 Newton meters. Take the hydration system and slide it into place until it stops. The hydration system comes with a magnetic attachment for the straw. The grommet fits concave to the crossmember. Take the zip tie, feed it through, and tighten it. Cut the excess. This will now allow your straw to sit in place. And now your hydration system is assembled.